So here we are in Aries Pond, just getting back with the boat. All this work ahead of us to do, right?
Yeah.
This barn, a friend of ours let us use it. Oh, it's a boathouse. So we were able to pull everything in there and have a place to be right in Aries Pond in Orleans. So he's like, yeah, use the boathouse. I'm not using it. I'm like, okay. So we literally pulled the boat right up to it and just got to work. And yeah, I'm cutting the foremast right now by the looks of it. And we're getting our masts ready to go. These masts we had gotten from a hurricane wrecked boats. So they were all bent and broken. So I'm cutting it, trying to cut the bend out of that one. To salvage as much as I can out of the mast to re-sleeve it.
Sprint.
Beautiful October day here at Aries Pond. We got some bowsprit repairs. Bowsprit, and then we're measuring the sails to set the mast height, to sleeve the mast, to have the boom truck come, which hopefully will be soon. We really want to go for a sail, right?
Really want to go for a sail.
We're going sailing soon. We'll see you soon.
After about, 6 tries, we finally think we got it straight enough. Looks good to me.
Bowsprit is on.
Looks awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect for the line.
Yeah, it is. We did good. Today's goal.
Lifelines.
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 What are you two crazies doing? What are you two silly things doing? Don't run. What is in your hair, Eleanor Ann? What did you do?
I was trying to make rainbow.
Wow, Eleanor, quite a look.
So we're attempting to re-sleeve this mast, planning on sailing this boat in like 4 months. We sleeved the mast, we rigged it, we stood them up by January, and then sailed the boat 2,000 miles to Puerto Rico. Did more work to it in Puerto Rico too, but
Which they'll say.
yeah, it was just, looking back now, it's just such a feat. I got back surgery as well.
As of editing this video, we haven't even owned the Sarah G for 2 years. And we've already sailed her to Puerto Rico, to the Dominican, back to Massachusetts, back down to Florida, through the Bahamas. I mean, we've done a lot.
Yeah.
We woke up this morning and we were like, oh no,
Hi.
it's freezing. It's cold. It's time to go. And it's only October 9th, and we're planning to be here until like January. So.
Yay, Christmas. Thought it was summer, but because that's why I wanted to come here. But then I was like, what happened? It just turned into winter.
And that's what happens when you come back in July, because this year we got back in July. So summer went fast, fall is here, and it's nearly winter, and it's cold. So we have lots to do. Well, what are we doing today?
We are running the halyards through our mast and we're re-sleeving it. Hopefully gonna stand them up in the near future. October 10th.
October 9th.
Yeah. Cold.
It is
It's
cold.
cold at night.
Yes.
Alright. So this is our Mizzen mast going in here over at Aries Boatyard. We didn't do a whole lot to this mast, we just pretty much slid it in and started hooking it up. So we had it given to us off an old boat that was being destroyed.
Which I think I actually have footage of.
Tony at Aries Boatyard made quick work of this for us. We tried not to sweat the small stuff and just tried to get this thing functioning in some way.
We knew that as long as we could get it functioning, we could worry about perfecting it as time went on.
Yeah, I've never gotten something right on the first time, so I don't even worry about the second and third time around.
We end up getting it right
We
then.
usually get it right then.
One more mast. It looks so beautiful. The rake is unreal. Oh, I love her.
So good. Got like a year's worth of work left.
Oh, wow. It's amazing.
I'm so excited.
Oh, you should say what you're doing.
Going to back surgery today. Knifing in my back. Drilling.
Yeah.
So the only problem with the heating system is we need a bigger battery bank to run it.
Yeah, and solar panels.
For the night, and solar panels to charge it, but for now we'll just have to keep the battery bank up with the main engine and the generator.
Yeah.
I think we got heat, the furnace is on. Let's go check it out.
It was smoking like crazy
Oh yeah,
a
it's
minute
lit.
ago.
Feel it.
Yeah, I felt it. Yeah, that's so
I
awesome.
have the stack for it downstairs.
Awesome.
Super excited. We have heat.
Yeah.
And it's cold.
Yes, it is.
There was ice on the deck last night.
Yeah. Yes, there was.
We just got a foot of snow just north of us.
Yeah. Burr.
Cold.
And we still have at least 2 or 3 months here, so.
Winter's coming quick this year.
Yeah, it is.
Trying to make chicken soup out of chicken shit.